The ducks are on the move. The ducks are on the move. But look at this place. I mean, it's so idyllic. Doesn't it look like we're in some kind of rural, natural wonderland? I mean, it's beautiful. It's so serene. You hear the birds. There's a lake. Everything. The setting is just like, where's the built environment? You don't see any of that, right? Real talk, you take us humans out of the equation, and nature just shines, man. Where is this place? We're in the center of Brooklyn, in Prospect Park. Yeah, the heart of Brooklyn, New York City. This is a premier destination for Brooklynites and visitors from all over the world. 8 million people come here every year. This machine keeps the lake free of algae and weeds and other plants that try to populate the surface. It's like landscaping on the water. You call that waterscaping? I guess. Anytime you want to escape the concrete jungle and lose yourself in nature for a while, this is the place. Check it out. Here in Prospect Park, you can find the majority of Brooklyn's remaining indigenous forests. There's not much left, but most of it is here.